Alright, so we're going to start answering the questions that are in our homework. I'm just going to continue formatting these, and we're going to look at specific binary variables. I'm not going to go over the ones that are assigned in the homework, but I'll use one that's similar, so we'll use gender as a lab example instead of smoking status. And it's good to get into a habit of just writing this stuff down in the beginning because it'll just make your code a little bit easier. This video is a little sped up, so I advise you pausing at specific points to get all the code down and then replaying whenever necessary. But I'm just setting up each problem. So we're going to use the mean function. We're going to use standard deviation to find the center and the spread. And for our continuous variable, we're going to use BMX, BMI. We're going to use a different variable for your homework, so you can just keep that in mind. In the lab, they'll just go over skewness and kurtosis, and histogram is a way to graphically display this. So we're going to set the same problem up, and we're going to use histogram, or the hist function, and we're just going to get histogram. And our next step is to make a box plot. And that's simply the box plot function, but I guess the most difficult part of this video is going to be using ggplot2 to make a stratified box plot. So we're going to go with ggplot2, we're going to use aesthetics, y equals BMX, BMI, x equals gender, data equals fitness, plus g on box plot. I'm going to organize it, line them up. I'm going to make a few errors here, so I'm going to assign this ggplot, and then I'm going to assign it a box plot, but I'm going to rename it in a second. So I rename it boxplot.lab, I'm going to name this boxplot.lab geoplot. But if we want to stratify it even further, we could do that. There's a function in aesthetics where you can call fill. And we're going to do fill equals CS smoking status. So when we look at that plot, it's going to be BMI stratified by gender and by smoking status.